Okay, so this is the shop. If you haven't been in the shop before, kind of like my studio. And get the lights on. So, yep. So this is it. There's all my helmets up there. All my crazy collection of wrestling figures all lined up there. Some of my armor. So I do a lot of my work in here as far as building things, leather work, stuff like that. Some of these boxes contain costumes and props. And there is my Ewok and Carbonite. I've had that for years and years. Some more of my armor here, my orc armor. And I'll go over here. Some more of my headpieces here. And more of the collection over here. And I've got, so this is my workbench here. I've got two of them. And I'm going to clear this off so I can start on my Hellboy project for the Hand of Doom. And I'm going to share with you some of that process today. Hi folks, I wanted you to come with me as I start this Hellboy project. It's a project I've been wanting to do for a very long time. I've got most of everything I need for this project. At the end of this video, I'll have a couple of links to the video of the Hellboy mask by O'Neill Effects. Then also where I got my Hellboy coat. And so we'll have that at the end. But I wanted to do like these in segments, okay? So you don't have to sit there forever and watch me do this Hand of Doom. So I just want to show you the materials that I'm using and the step-by-step and how we're going to make this look like an awesome Hand of Doom. Okay, so let's go. So first, what I'm going to do for the Hand of Doom, this will be part of the forearm. Right here, old Folgers Classic Roast. Good coffee. That I'll be decorating with the stone look to them. And then, of course, I've got these hockey gloves that I picked up at a second-hand store where they sell all kinds of sporting goods stuff that's been used. Got a great price. Got both these for together, the set for $10. It's like perfect. And, of course, I'm going to use the EVA foam to sculpt around the forearm to do his stone look to his forearm, and then I'll carve into it, all the symbols, and then also give it more detail, just like the movie version. Let me show you how that looks on my forearm. So there you go. Of course, Folgers won't be showing. So yeah, it's like the perfect size for the Hand of Doom, for the stone look. And the length is like perfect right there, almost up to the elbow, which is great. It gives me a lot of mobility. And I'll show you what it looks like with the glove on too. So there you go there. So yeah, we're gonna do the EVA foam on the glove too, to give him the give a Hellboy the Hand of Doom look as well. And we'll do all the symbols in that. And I think at the top he doesn't have 4 fingers, he actually has 3, so we'll narrow down the 2 middle ones to 1 when we do the EVA foam. Yeah, it's gonna look really good once he's all done. But yeah, so this project is starting. I've been putting it off for a while, but I need to get his hand done. And so what I'll do here is measure the width of this here. I'm hoping I can do all this on one piece of EVA foam. I mean, I got plenty, but I'd like to narrow it down to just a 1 for both this and for the hand. So what we'll do is we'll measure both sides. So there you go there. Get this mark here and this one right here. And what we'll do is I'll get my ruler, measure all the way across, straight across, and cut it all the way across. Okay, so I've measured both of them straight across there. So what I'll do is I'll take a razor, cut both of these all the way across here. And then this will start to where I can wrap it around the actual forearm piece. Okay, so I've cut it, and there you go. It's wrapped around. I've put tape on it for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue it and push it together really good. The cool thing is, if you actually see the Hand of Doom, he does have a center piece of stone going across. So that's what I'm going to put right here, and hot glue that in there, and then mold it into it, kind of sculpt it into the foam. But yeah, here's your start of the Hand of Doom. So that's going to look really good. The next video I'm going to do is when I'm going to do the heart glue and start carving this. The hand will be last. It shouldn't take too long to do. So yeah, it's getting there. It's not really going to be a long project to do this. And I'll also show you how to paint it, what I use to paint this with for the EVA foam, and also how to give those special effects look to this, make it look like stone. So yeah, this is going to be a really good project. If I'll put a link at the end, so you can see my Hellboy mask and my Hellboy coat. We're also working on the holster and belt and everything too.